In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Uber Driver app on your iPhone. Whether you're just starting as a driver or you're switching to a new phone, getting the app installed correctly is the first step to hitting the road. So let's jump right in and make sure you're all set. First things first, ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet. You'll need a stable Wi-Fi connection or your mobile network to download the app. Next, locate and open the App Store on your iPhone, which is the blue icon with a white A shaped like a compass. Once the App Store is open, tap the search icon at the bottom of your screen. It's usually represented as a magnifying glass. In the search bar at the top, type in Uber Driver, and then press the blue search button on your keyboard. You should see a list of results. Look for the Uber Driver app. It's the one with a black and white icon with the word Uber clearly displayed. If you're unsure which is the correct one, just remember it should say Uber Driver beneath the app icon. Once you've found the right app, tap the blue Get button to the right of the app description. If you've downloaded this app before, you might see a cloud symbol with an arrow instead. Either way, tap it. If prompted, authenticate the download using the method your phone is set up with, whether it be Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. While the app is downloading, it might be a good time to ensure your iPhone's software is up to date. This can help with compatibility and performance. You can check this by going to your iPhone's settings, tapping on General, then Software Update. Make sure everything is current. Once the app has finished downloading and installing, locate it on your home screen. Tap the app to open it, and you'll be greeted by welcome instructions. If this is your first time setting up an Uber Driver account, you'll need to tap Sign Up, where you'll be guided through creating an account, including entering your personal details, vehicle information, and driver's license. If you've driven with Uber before, simply tap Login and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're all set up and ready, remember to check any notifications within the app for any required updates on documents or account information. These alerts will ensure your account stays active and ready for you to start accepting ride requests. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Uber Driver app on your iPhone. By following these steps, you're now one step closer to starting your journey as an Uber driver. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the roads, and happy driving.